Good day and welcome to the product training of our whitening serum, our glutathione essence with an SOD formula upgrade. Let's discuss who these products are suitable for. On our face, we have various skin problems. So our glutathione essence is specifically used for those with suntan or dark spots, those who have shallow skin, those having uneven skin tone, those who have fine lines on their face and having dull complexion. Because without an immediate care, a 30-year-old may be able to look like a 50-year-old. But by using our product, we can reduce these various skin problems. So we have three main causes of skin darkening, and let's discuss each layer. The first reason is the melanin production. This is the level 1 where melanin generates. The melanocytes are located in the growth layer of the epidermis, and it produces large amount of melanin when it is stimulated. The second one is the cause of the melanin stock. There is a melanin inventory where the level 2, there is a transfer of melanin into the keratinocytes. And in layer 3, chelation happens within the keratin in the keratinocytes. The last cause of skin darkening is the melanin darkening, where in layer 4, the keratinocytes metabolize to the surface of the skin, where melanin becomes darker, and after being dark, there is oxidation. And accumulation happens in layer 5, which forms spots, dull skin, and an uneven skin tone. Because accumulated melanin does form spots, and the dispersed melanin will cause its dullness. So what can we do to whiten the skin to stop the causes mentioned before? So in melanin production layer 1, we need to block the melanin production by reducing its melanin production or lowering the production. So the second step is in melanin stock, we need to decrease the number of melanin by stopping chelation in order to block the melanin transfer into the layer 5. Because in layer 5, this is the melanin darkening layer, we need to remove the melanin by exfoliation and adding antioxidants to repair spots and eliminate dullness. So overall, to whiten the skin, we need to repair the spots and eliminate dullness by following this process. So how can the use of whitening injections help whiten our skin? The antioxidants that we use to inject in our human veins of our skin help inhibit the production of melanin in the skin. Such ingredients are the vitamin C, glutathione, the B complex, and even more. So how will our non-injection rub-in whitening glutathione essence work? So how will our glutathione essence work in brightening our face to eliminate the darkening factors? So in layer 1, the melanocytes are stimulated to produce melanin, as we know. So to reduce the melanin production, we need to inhibit tyrosinase by using SOD, the glutathione, the tranexamic acid, and vitamin C elements to achieve this reduction. Next one, we need to prevent the transfer of melanin to keratinocytes by introducing energy that prevents the transfer of melanin, such as the use of glutathione, vitamin D, and the SOD. So in layer 3, the chelated melanin and keratin are chelated. So in order to cut off the chelation, we need the free melanin to be swallowed by the white blood cells by using SOD, glutathione, and vitamin 3 as well. So these step 2, level 2, and level 3 all works in the melanin in stopping the melanin inventory. Lastly, the last layers are layer 4 works in the melanin darkening. So to stop it, the oxidation in layer 4, we need to use antioxidation to move the surface of the skin and reduce it from turning black by using hyaluronic acid, glutathione, and SOD. Last is the Layer 5, where there is accumulation of melanin, the causing spots or the uneven skin tone. We need to exfoliate and remove the accumulated melanin at the same time by using the ingredients such as essin, allantoin acid, and glycerinic acid. So in combination of the effects of the ingredients mentioned, the mechanism will help achieve like a whitening injection by only using a serum to help eliminate all the darkening factors happening to our face, thereby producing a whitening glow and a healthy, confident skin. So the slide mentions how and where the ingredients of the product work on the skin layer by purifying melanin layer by layer from inside out. What are the effects and how the skin changes observed from ingredients mechanism, in which all layers of the skin worked from the stratum corneum up to the deepest fat and muscle layer of the skin, overall providing a great benefit for whitening the skin inside and out. Our BDS glutathione essence ingredients, we have glutathione SOD to avoid melanin oxidation. We have tranexamic acid for reduction of the redness after surgery and lowering skin darkening factors. Arbutin for the reduction of melanin production, and vitamin B3 for blocking the melanin transfer. So it can be used as a general post-operative serum to be used after 3 days, and in minimally invasive treatment, it can be used available in the next day to be used. So we have been seeing SOD in the previous slides, and we saw how much effect it gives to our whitening serum. So let's discuss what it is. So what is SOD? SOD is actually a superoxide dismutase. It is a very powerful antioxidant ingredient, which is also known as a free radical killer. As it is a free radical killer, it is the body's first line defense to help effectively stop the oxidation of free radicals so that the damage to the skin of cell membranes can be stopped. What are the benefits of the antioxidant superoxidase? It effectively prevents the formation of skin melanin, skin sagging, and wrinkles. To target our aging, help provide an all-round skin protection. So in summary, adding this with our glutathione essence, our product, second generation, is better than the first one because of this super antioxidizing agent, because it improves the antioxidant and melanin removal effects by upgrading the capacity to work on the melanin production. So the next ingredient for our whitening serum, glutathione serum, is glutathione. So first, let's discuss how glutathione works in whitening our mechanism. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant which neutralizes free radicals, enhancing the ability of antioxidants to delay aging by eliminating free radicals. It also reduces melanin production and increases melatonin production to help lower age spots, reverse signs of aging like black spots and fine lines. Additionally, it also aids in skin's whitening by repairing the damaged cells, overall delaying aging for a better whitened skin. So now that we know how glutathione works in whitening, we have our very own PBF exclusive purified oxidized glutathione, where glutathione is actually divided into reduced and oxidized forms, where PBF only uses an exclusive oxidized glutathione, not the commonly used one on the market, which is the reduced glutathione. As you can see, the reduced glutathione is, after its exposure to air, unknown substances may produce and the active ingredients are actually reduced by 60%. Whereas our PBF exclusive oxidation type is more stable, as even after exposure to air upon opening, active ingredients will not be affected by it. So in summary, PBF exclusively uses only purified oxidized glutathione, which can be used as an active ingredient in skincare product for a much better result rather than using the general reduced type. So we are proud to say that our PBF glutathione essence offers the highest and strongest dose of the Taiwan industry in whitening ingredients. We have 11% combining from our strong whitening ingredients, all consisting of alpha-arbutin 1%, tranexamic acid 3%, we have oxidized glutathione 2%, and vitamin B3 5%, which all works very well in whitening our face. So this slide depicts a before and after comparison pictures of using our glutathione essence and its effect. In the left side picture is the before. We can see that there is uneven skin tone and there are a lot of dark spots which are obvious. After a few days of usage of our glutathione serum, we can see that in the middle photo, there is an overall skin brightening and the spots seen on the left side are now being reduced in the middle side. And at the rightmost picture shows the overall effect of using the product, confirming its claims because the dark spots that you saw on the left side of the photo are now not visible on the right side. And you can also see that the skin has become even whiter, confirming its claims. So when can we use our glutathione essence? So we can use it, just as stated or mentioned in this PowerPoint slide, to help speed up skin whitening. We can use it by after laser surgery to help reduce darkening and help melanin metabolism to happen faster. Those who want to be refreshed and those who want to use it as a daily maintenance, they can use it at night for a cleansed face, and when you feel that your face has darkened due to being on a vacation or anything, and other uses, you can use it on your dark spots, not only on your face but even on other parts of the body like your neck, your hands, or any parts of the body. So in summary of our BDS glutathione essence serum, so this is the overall product summary of our BDS glutathione serum. In summary, our serum can be effectively used at home without having to use glutathione serum injections because it already has the effects that the injections have in whitening our skin complexion. As I have discussed, all the skin darkening factors are targeted in our BDS serum, such as its action in stopping melanin production and increasing melatonin, which is similar to the action of a glutathione injection in whitening our skin. And we also use our PBF exclusive oxidized glutathione, not the reduced version which all the other companies usually use, because the oxidized glutathione's activity is remained the same even after opening the serum. But the reduced glutathione is not the same because its activity is decreasing. So it's safe to say that our PBF exclusive oxidized glutathione is even more effective to reduce the production of the accumulation of melanin and increasing melatonin hormone for a whiter face. Lastly, we have our super ingredient, our antioxidant, superoxidase, which is, as I've mentioned, a very powerful antioxidant which prevents melanin production, that helps prevent skin aging, skin damage, and skin darkness. Overall, these overall products help prove our claim that our BDS glutathione helps whiten our skin complexion without the use of skin injections, and even easier for our customers to help their skin problems. And that ends our presentation. Thank you so much for listening.